Paper-based test or computer-delivered test? Which option should I choose? Should I go for paper-based test or should I opt computer-delivered test? I know so many of you are confused or worried about it. In this video, I will discuss about the similarities and differences between these two versions. Then I hope you will be able to choose which is the right option for you. So keep watching. This is Sakib from English Booster. Please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified for my next videos. At first, let's see the similarities between these two. The test format, the contents, scoring and the level of difficulty are the same in paper-based test and computer-delivered test. In both the tests, you will have same 4 parts: listening, reading, writing and speaking. All the contents are same. There are no differences. As the test format and the contents are same, the scoring is also the same. No marks are going to be cut for your bad handwriting. Also, there is no issue regarding capital or small letters in listening and reading parts. So you need not to be worried at all about that. And finally, the difficulty level is also identical in these two tests. Now, let's check out the differences. Number 1. Test venue. In paper-based test, the exam will be taken in a large room like an auditorium with around 100 to 150 candidates, so that you may hear some extra noise due to coughing or some movements. And it is little bit difficult to concentrate in comparison to computer delivered test. On the other hand, in computer delivered test, the room will be quite smaller than the room in PBT with around only 20 to 25 candidates. Every candidate will get a desktop PC in front of them, so you will experience a more peaceful environment than the paper-based test. Number 2. Typing or handwriting. Which is your comfort zone? In paper-based test, you have to write down the answers with a pencil, and we are already comfortable with pen or pencil. Though writing with pencil is a little difficult than the pen, I hope it may not be a big issue. On the contrary, in computer delivered test, you will need a really fast typing skill. Otherwise, you cannot cope up with your time. So think about it. Number 3. Editing. In paper-based test, while editing, it is quite irritating to strike through or erasing with an eraser. But it is easier to edit in computer with the keyboard. So I think this is an extra advantage of computer delivered test. Number 4. Checking your time. It is definitely a pros of computer delivered test that you will get a timer on the screen just in front of you all the time, just like this picture, whereas you have to look on the wall clock or maybe hand watches to check your time in paper-based test. Number 5. Word count. Normally you have to count words manually in paper-based test, as there is a minimum word limit in the writing section. But in computer delivered test, when you write, the words are automatically counted and you can see it on the screen. Also, you can see the question alongside your answer box, just like the left picture. It will help you in task 1 of academic writing, as you can see the charts, graphs or diagrams parallelly. Number 6. Duration of your test. In listening test, you will get 10 minutes to transfer your answers from the question booklet to your answer sheet in paper-based test. But in computer delivered test, as there are no physical answer sheet, you have to write the answers in the answer box while you listen, and you will get only 2 minutes to check your answers. Besides, the exam screen will shut down as soon as your time reaches 0, and this type of screen will appear whatever situations you are in. So be careful about it. Number 7. Tested frequency. In paper-based test, generally you will get only one test in 1 week or 2 weeks interval. But it is great that you will get 4 to 5 computer delivered tests in a week. Moreover, the speaking test is usually conducted on another day in paper-based test. On the contrary, all the 4 tests are conducted on the same day in computer delivered test. So, we can say that paper-based test is a 2-day test and the computer delivered test is a 1-day test. Number 8. Results. In paper-based test, usually 14 days or 2 weeks is required to publish the result. It's again a good advantage of computer delivered test, as the result publishes in a quick 5 to 7 days time. Sometimes we are in a rush to submit the IELTS result when the deadlines for submitting the application in the universities, colleges or immigration offices are very close. In that case, you can sit for a computer delivered test. So now, it's your time to choose which is more flexible to you. But if you have a fast typing skill, I will suggest you to go for a computer delivered test as it has some added advantages. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and share as much as you can. Stay tuned for more.